Hello everybody, we just closed this house. Multiple offers. Tracy wrote a nice letter. Hello. And this house right here, this one right over there, just went into escrow for 100 grand more. And it's not as nice. So come on home. Just closed. Come on. It was multiple offers and we got it done. So congrats to my client. And if you ever want to Airbnb it, let us know.
Oh my God, love. Love. Oh, look how cute. Come here, you. Come here. Oh, can I pick you up? Can I pick you up? Oh, you are so cute. You are such a cute pup. You are such a cute pup. You are such a cute pup. Bring someone love. Oh my God. You are the cutest thing ever. You are so cute. You're so.
Hello, we're in escrow.
So precious.
Hey, you, hi. Hello.
Yes. Is that the cutest dog ever? Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
As nice as this house.
Love this house.
Me too.
Love you. You come with me too. You come with me too. Oh, you come. Oh,
Dang.
you are just, oh, it is so right now. I just so happy all this love and attention and love life.
Hello, my friends. I love this house. Awesome Airbnb house. Yeah. What are you guys doing?